Morning. Still at Studland. It's about 6ish now, I guess. So let me show you. There's the ferry. Probably got a few people on there now prepping up for the day, for its travelling to and from all day, and it's very calm. Sun's really up. You got a nice glare on the water, but there it is. And here comes our ferry. From France. And that's what our beach looks like. Nobody on it. Solo beach goer this time of day. Probably my favourite, to be honest. You know, time of day. Before everybody else gets up. Quiet time in the morning. Got your door van open. Got a nice coffee on the go. And then you just 3 minutes, less than that, 2 minutes, and you're in the water. You by the water, and she's paddling. She loves it. She's really getting a feel for the water, which is nice. Dog hair's on my phone. Teddy's just occasionally paddling. Isn't that lovely? That noisy bugger, go on, boy. Oh, there's a chap up there, I can see him. He's parked just near me. He turned up about probably half an hour ago. He's down here on the beach just fishing. He said might get some bass today. Obviously a local. And bass is nice to eat apparently. Anyway, good morning again. Lovely sound. That's the bow waves off that tanker coming in now.